Am I sandbagging? I can't tell. I am not sandbagging anymore!
It's Wesker time!
Lizard.
Oh, that's a spicy totem right there, right there. Spicy totem! Spicy totem! Spicy! Why are they so juicy? My fork! I like that fork! My fork!
Lizard.
Hi, Spider Queen. Imagine this had like voice, like you had to be quiet right now. Is it the same person? Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh, I just scared Charlie. Sorry, Charlie. Fucking stab that eyeball, bitch. Sheesh, are we about to kiss right now? Paula sent me, said he's been creeping through the windows, we're on the couch, the kids lock every door. Hi, everybody!
Man, what the fuck?
Thank you so much! Happy October, everybody. Happy breast month of the year. Is there anything in my teeth? I just had some nuts. Okay, now we're good.
Happy
What the hell? Matt, I thank you for the tier 2 for 22 mothers! Beret, thank you for the 2 months! Oh my gosh, guys, thank you so much! How's everybody doing today? How the hell? Oh, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, my dudes. Let me go live on YouTube really quickly. If I have to. Just kidding. Open up my mod chat. Okay. All right. Cool. About Prime Gaming go away. I know. I saw that the Prime. I don't know. I saw an email. I just saw that your Prime benefits don't go away. So that's cool. What's up, Max? What's up, Leon's Moans? Who was first today? Moon Quartz first. Soul Napper not first. Cozy Book Cafe. Mwah. Shabby. Mwah. Leon's Moans. Mwah. Gym Leader Show. Mwah. Hi, Max. Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kisses, guys. Happy Wednesday. I just said that. Brie. Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kissy. Guys, I have some strawberries. You guys want some strawberries? They can have them. They're mine. You're pretty. That's so funny. I was just thinking that about. No, you.
Go on.
Ah!
Give him a nibble.
For a B-Day subathon, you
Ginger!
deserve a hype train. Happy birthday, you gorgeous, amazing friend.
No, you! Here, you get a blue one. No, you! Thank you for the 100 biddies! Thank you for the hype train. You're pretty. How many of these do I need? Yes, please. You'd love some strawberries? You can have some. Thank you for the 100... Hello, doggy. Hello, dog. Would you like a treat? Do you guys think the doggies deserve treats? Do you think they deserve treats? Do you think they deserve treats? God, he smells so good. I gave him a bath on Sunday, and he smells so yummy. Come. Come. Yes, your boy. Yes, your good boy. Yes, your good boy. Hi, Lydia. Thank you so much. What's up, Dalton? Guys, happy Wednesday, my dudes. Happy Wednesday. What's up, Soham? What's up, Astrid? Ah, geez. Happy Wednesday. Should we start off with DBD? What do you guys think? Happy Womb Eviction Day is a crazy thing to say. But I'll allow it. I'll allow it. It's not today. My birthday's actually during TwitchCon. But since I won't be here during TwitchCon because I'll be in San Diego, I'm gonna do it. We're starting early. Starting early. 'Tis not actually today. I know. I'm lying. Liar. What's that one? What's that one thing? Peter Griffin. He goes, "Phony, a big
For the
fat
super
phony."
wonderful streamer Pixel on the birthday, all of the spoils.
Thank you, Gym Leader. Thank you so much for 200 biddies. All of this is adding time to the timer, by the way. I think it's like 100 bits and $1 tips all do $1. Subs are 5 minutes. Tier 2s are shit. Okay. Tier 2s are, I think, 10 minutes. And Tier 3s are 30 minutes! Ninja! It's the entire month. See, Bree gets it. The girls that get it. The girls that don't. No.
Pixlicker.
Thank you for the Tier 3 sub! Oh my god. Okay. So, I never actually, like, explicitly typed this out. So, my bad. But Tier 3s go in the pumpkin, too. Guys, okay, so wait, I have a name for him. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it, but this is my Blumpkin because he's my birthday pumpkin, and 5 gifted subs or Tier 3 subs, get their name on my Blumpkin. Blumpkin, my pumpkin. So, don't judge me. But Jen, I hope you're doing so good. It's your brother's birthday today. Well, happy birthday to your brother. Happy Libra season. Oh my god, not getting auto-modded. That's crazy. No, you guys deserve. You people deserve to celebrate their whole month.
Stop making the damn thing.
Least fat streamer BTW Kappa.
There you go. In case anyone is curious. Shepster, thank you for the prime. Enjoy your 90 countdown. Your 90 emotes, your ad-free view, and your sub badge. Least favorite streamer, but still favorite though, right? Zia! Mwah. Thank you for the 4 kissy. What's up, Versathi? Ah, oh, you're so sweet, Versathi. No, you. Ooh, Max, both. Go back and forth. Also, Willie, mwah. Thank you for the forehead kissy. And also, happy birthday to your brother. Where are you from? Chicago! No way! Oh, hell yeah, Ninja. Wait, so are you and Breaker on the same schedule yet? No? Maybe? Hi, Dragon. Dragon, thank you so much. Early birthday, Ninja. Mwah. Dragon, mwah. Thank you for the forehead kisses. No way. Ninja, I feel like it's been like years since you and Breaker have been on the same schedule. Where do you want to go in my Blumpkin? You're going to be my first one, Ninja. Forever, literally. My day is next month at the end. Wait, your birthday is at the end of November? Why, you have a pumpkin? It's my Blumpkin. My birthday pumpkin. Where do you want to go, Ninja? Do you want to go in the top of my Blumpkin? The bottom of my Blumpkin? The middle of my Blumpkin? Ay, Shamoy! Duncan! Is this alert loud? I feel like it's really loud. Good afternoon! Duncan, thank you for the 10 gifted subs! What the French toast? Duncan, you gonna go in my Blumpkin too? Duncan the Blumpkin. I'm sorry, I'm done. I'm sorry, I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm gonna be doing this all stream. Oh, November. So does that mean you're Scorpio? Is that what it is? You're gonna make me do a pickle juice shot? It's my birthday. You're making me do a pickle juice shot. It's crazy, Duncan. That's crazy. Ah, jeez. All right. All right. Anna Bean Boozle. Okay. Ninja, you're gonna go right in the front in my Blumpkin. Do you mind? Thank you for the 10 gifted subs to the Spud, Russet, Katana Mori, Alana Del Soleil, Scarlet, Wicked Goose, Aylin, Torment VT, Bushy Black Chick, AJ Sousa, and the Snowy Wolf. Duncan! Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kiss. And thank you so much for the gift of subby. So if you guys got a gift of subby, make sure you say, thank you. Thank your gifter. Ooh, that makes a crazy sound. Makes a crazy sound. Dalton! Mwah. Thank you for your first forehead kissy. Jesus! Happy birthday. That's so many pieces. Meta, thank you for the 20 gifted subs! What the fuck? We're at a level 8 hype train. It's crazy. You love being your plumpkin? That's what she said. Thank you for the 20 gifted subs. If you guys got gifted sub, make sure you say, thank you. Enjoy your 90 emotes, your ad-free view, and your sub badge. Oh, Matt, I enjoy your 100 emotes. Ninjet, your 110 emotes. Duncan! All right. Duncan, I forgot your number. 7963. My birthday pumpkin is my plumpkin. I don't want to talk about it.
Mad Eye.
All undercase. Cool. Making sure I'm getting everyone's undercases and overcases. Oh, can you guys hear me like scratching this? Oh, I hit like a nipple. I hit like a nipple on your last zero. You can? Oh, jeez, I'm sorry. What's up, Tom? Everyone say hi, my Tom. Hi, Tom. And you just get your dog normal. Wait, what about my dog? You guys talking shit about my dog? Who's talking shit about my dog? Hi, Tom! Guys, it's Tom's birthday month, too. Hi, Kaya! Kaya, happy Wednesday! It's Wednesday, my dudes. I have to take a pickle shot now. Wait. Also, Mad Eye, you have a an option for a custom command in chat. I know you don't like messages, but let me know either whenever. If there's no expiration and no rush, but if you think of a command that you want, you could do like, I don't know, exclamation point Mad Eye, and it'll say whatever you want it to say within reason. Like, obviously, like, I don't want to get like kicked off the platform. But whatever you want it to be, Mad Eye. Kaya, mwah, thank you for the forehead kissy. Mythical, mwah, thank you for the forehead kissy. Happy birthday month, Tom! Pixel and I were actually in a race to be bored, and she fucking... Wait, are we the same year too, Tom? I'm 92. Thanks, Jagged! Hi, Caesar's Luncheon. No, what year are you? I feel like I'm like years older than you. I feel like I have to be like at least 4 years older than you. What's up, Jerome? Thank you! Thank you guys so much! Hi, Silver. I feel like I missed someone's message. If I did, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to open this. Oh my god. So, 10 gifted is a pickle juice shot plus. I have 4 years. I knew it. I don't know. I had a feeling. I don't know. Tom, I just know. I just know everything there is to know about you. That's weird. That sounds threatening. Oh, and we get to do our first giveaway too. Yippee! Squishy, I hope you're doing so good. Happy Wednesday, my dudes. Midweek check-in. How's everyone doing? Thank you guys so much for the level 8 hype train. What hype train are we at right now? Level 8 hype train. Stop. Can Mad Eye's command be the stream is sponsored by Christian Mingle? Please do not swear. Thank you. What's up, Pixie? Hump day. All right. I don't have a lot of these. I was banking on the fact that, like... Do you want that to be your... Wait, do you want that to be your...
Go on. Give me
Mad Eye, it's up to you.
Pix super
Yes!
chaos, pix super chaos, pix super chaos.
Tom, can you
pix
message that to
super
me?
chaos.
No way! It's gonna be exclamation point Mad Eye, by the way. Bree, thank you for the 100 biddies!
Thank you so much.
What the helly? Guys, I only have 7 of these, okay? So, didn't think the people would actually be here. And that's on. Low self. I gave you. I saw. Oh my god, Vixie Pixie, I'm gonna punch you with my lips on your forehead.
Hello.
By giving you a forehead kiss. Yo, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. I do have anonymous follows on, but I see you and I appreciate you. Welcome in. There you go. There it is. If Pixel ends up in legal hot water, it's your fault. As long as it's not hot dog water. When I was doing the incentives, I was looking at my old incentives and I saw the G Fuel pickle bath water. I'm just like, do you guys remember? No, do you guys remember when I did the bathing suit in the pickle G Fuel? In the pickle flavor G Fuel? You guys remember that? It's on my Twitter. It's on my Twitter. Is that a headbutt? But with kisses. Thank you guys so much for level 8 hype train. Alright. What do you mean? Why would you do that? I'm pretty sure G Fuel commented on it and they're like, ew. I'm just like, yeah. What's up, Doctorino? Wait. I wonder if I could just, like, search it. I don't know. Twitter. I'm high-key, low-key stalling so I don't have to drink this pickle juice shot. Isn't pickle juice supposed to be, like, good for... What's up, Anubis? Isn't it supposed to be good for, like, cramps or something? Because I've been working out a lot, so maybe that'll help. Pickle G Fuel? Wait, that's not searching my account. Oh, ew! Oh my god. There you go, Brie. There you go, chat. There you go. I'm pretty sure I made, like, a video of it, too. I think I only sent it on Snap, though. It's bad. Thanks, Music Kid! I think cranberry juice... Oh, hi, Vicky! I think cranberries is good for... Was it UTIs? I think, right? Cranberry's good for UTIs, and then pickle juice is good for cramps or something? I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I only went to school. I'm just joking. I didn't finish. All right, cheers. Duncan, thank you for the 10 gifted subs. Oh, they said respect that. They said, oh god, that smells so bad. They said respect is crazy. Oh, thanks, Vixie. Hey, they're both good for you. And no, it's funny, Vicky. I also hate cranberry juice. I hate cranberry juice and I hate pickle juice. So hopefully no UTIs for me or else I'm screwed. Oh, God in heaven. It's so bad. Toadsie! Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kissy. Oh, I love pineapple juice, though. Or pineapples in general. Oh, sorry, that was loud. All right. Also do have to do one of each Bean Boozle. Okay, I need you guys to know that these spicy Bean Boozles are like 2 years old. So these are going to be so stale. Oh, jeez. Cran is yucky. Drinks are supposed to be refreshing, not get... Okay, so yeah. Cranberry juice makes my mouth... Yeah, no, I totally know what you're talking about, Vixie. The green one, I got habanero and peach or barf. So I got habanero on this one, which I'm okay with because orange is like the easiest color to find on here. Well, besides the green. Because I can't tell you how many times I've gotten sriracha and I've accidentally like had the Carolina Reaper instead because I can't tell color apparently. Peach or barf is crazy. Oh, this looks. Oh, that smells. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I just put my whole face in there. Oh, I lost the one that I had. Oh, okay. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is going to be a peach or a barf? What do you guys think? Should we do a poll? Or what's it called? A prediction? Thanks, Toadsie! Cheese and rice. I don't think it's peach. That smells rough. Let's do a prediction. We'll do a prediction. Good bean or bad bean? Good bean or bad bean? Good peach, bad barf. Bad barf. You guys got 2 minutes. Put your money in there, and by money I mean channel points, which is free. I want it to be peach too. In the meantime, I'm gonna have this habanero jelly bean, which is gonna be really, really stale. But that's future me's problem. Oh, that's so stale. Oh, it's so spicy though. What's up, Flash? Oh, that's so spicy though. Oh, that's spicy. That was the habanero. That was the habanero. Why is that so spicy? What's up, Rose? Oh my god! Will strawberries help? Why? Why? Are they helping or hurting? Oh, I can't tell. Oh, I can't tell. Because it's habanero. I don't think it's helping, actually. How spicy is a habanero? I feel like it shouldn't be that bad, but like my tongue is on fire. You look stunning, by the way. That's so funny. I was just thinking about you. What was that for? Is that for 20 gifted? All right, no one gifted any more subs, okay? But we did hit our first goal, which we're gonna do a Space Panda and Space Panda gift card and G Fuel tub giveaway. Both of them, because I said so. All right. Wait. Only 20 channel points were in... Wait, was that in good or bad? Wait, I want to see what this prediction was. Only 20 channel points? I hope it's bad so that that person gets a payout. You know what I hate the most about these? I think the worst part about the barf one is that, oh god, is that for some reason, it starts off sweet, and I'm just like, oh, it's good. No, it's barf. So congratulations to whoever voted for 20 channel points. You're rich! Oh, I wanted to join that, Tom, but I got nervous. I wanted to join that, but because they said something about how you needed to, like, type in chat, I'm like, no, or not type in chat, or, like, chat in the stream about it, like, in a video. I was like, no, I'm good. Oh, man. It was bad. Yeah, that's why I didn't submit anything, Tom, because I was like, no, I'm good. Ooh. So Shabby and Vixie, I think, both put 10 channel points in, and they got 5.8k channel points between the two of them. Tonesy, I know you looking cute anyway, so get shit on. What do you hate most? Oh, that the barf bean boozle has like a slight sweet flavor at first, so it lulled me into a false sense of security. No, you, Rose. Rich. My tongue is still really burning. Oh, you know what, Rosaria? I heard a similar fun fact. The fun fact that I heard was that it was supposed to be like a pasta sauce. But I've heard a very similar fun fact. Hold on, I gotta ban an idiot. There you go. Oh, my tongue is still on fire. Milk helps spicy. I don't want to go all the way upstairs, though. Oh, jeez. What do you guys think of this incentive thing? Isn't this cute? I've only used it once before for a for a charity stream, but it doesn't really work well with charity things because I have to, like, I don't know. Because like, obviously I don't get the money, so it doesn't do anything. But this, I'm finally using it for a subathon, because I haven't done a subathon in, like, God knows how long. And so it's my first time using it, and I think it's working okay, right? Our next incentive is at 50 subs. If we hit 50 subs, I'm going to do a horror movie night in the Discord. You guys pick some of your favorite horror movies, and we'll just bam, 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 bam. Let's go through them. It's adorable. Almost as adorable as you are, Tom. Beer is best for spice? Really? Really, Tacarino? See, I mean, I believe you. I heard the opposite. I heard that it was bad for it. Go get the milk right now? No, it's all right. Well, and that's what they said. I can't remember who. I can't remember wrong. That was years ago. I mean, pizza and pasta sauce is like the exact same thing. Tonesy, I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna punch you with my lips on your forehead. Is that a good threat? Is that mean? Tonesy, thank you so much. I have to manually add this time, by the way, because I don't have Stream Elements linked with Ko-Fi. I hold on. How do I do this? Is this gonna work? Oh! I added 10 hours. How is 600 seconds? Whatever I just added. Hold on. Nine hours into minutes. 9 hours is 540 minutes. Is it really? That's it? There we go. Wait. Oh, should I save and then do that? There you go. Okay, you got an extra 3 minutes for that. Ah, jeez. Okay, so it's funny because the Stream Elements timer works in seconds, but I guess the command works in minutes. So now I know. Well, what was I saying? Happy whatever age you want to be day. Thanks, Ejin. Enjoy the spice. I guess it's getting a lot better. It's kind of like just numb right there. How old are you turning? I have to do math. Hold on. I think I'm turning 33. 33. Yeah, 33. Ah, jeez. Yeah, so apparently, so all of the Stream Elements, like, timer works in seconds. And then add time is minutes. Does it explicitly say that? Chat command settings. No, it doesn't even say that it's minutes or seconds, so I guessed, and I guessed wrong. Yeesh! I'm not gonna put butter in my mouth! That's so weird! I feel like that's a fetish. Is that a fetish? Eat butter? I feel like that's weird. Oh! No, I'm 33. Well, turning 33. Guys, what game should we play? I have Dead by Daylight up there. 5 subs or... I don't know. I'll put butter on toast, but, like, I cannot imagine, like, eating butter. I can't. Dead by Daylight? Dead by Daylight? Should we do Dead by Daylight? Let me change the background to hearts. What are you doing? Wait, are we doing free play? What's free play? Yeah, my tongue's starting to feel normal again. Oh, man. Oh, should we do the giveaway? Yeah, let's do a giveaway. All right. So I have a gift card. Oh, play with others? I don't know. I do have that in one of the incentives. If we hit 250 subs, we'll do an open lobby day, and I'll do Drunk by Daylight. Oh, free play. That's cute. I've never heard it called that. That's cute, though. Oh, yes! Max, that's awesome. It is a really cool update. I'm going to have to get used to actually, like, looking at the HUD, though. I never really look at the HUD. Wicked Dreaded Samurai. Mwah! Thank you for the 4 Kyusu. Da 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 da. Someone gets to 250 right now. Yeah. Yeah. Aw, thanks, Wicked. Giveaway. Create giveaway. So this first giveaway is going to be for a Space Panda $10 gift card. So Space Panda is what does the Delta 8 and Delta 9 gummies, and they also have like some suckers, stuff like that. Anybody can enter the giveaway if they want, but just remember it's a gift card for like weed. So like obviously you have to be like a certain age, but then also you have to make sure that you can actually get the stuff in your state. Like anybody can enter. Like if you win the gift card, you win the gift card. It's just, you know, it'd be nice if people who entered could actually use it, but like at the end of the day, I don't know, you can do whatever you want. That's my shtick. Space Panda gift card. Hashtag birthday. I don't even know how to do the things like how Tom does it. Tom does it so nice. Oh, almost drew the enter instead. Hashtag birthday in chat if you guys want to enter in to win a Space Panda $10 gift card. Announcement. Space Panda $10 gift card giveaway has started. Type in chat to enter. I think that should work. No, you are totally fine, Tom, so I didn't ask. Because I know you're busy. I know a busy boy. But yeah, I'm not doing anything. I literally haven't even, I don't even have a game open. Should we start with a DVD? Because I was also thinking, I don't know, I mean, I'm going to be here for a while. So this will be broken up into multiple streams because you guys know me, I'm not built, I'm not built in ways to like do long streams. That's just not the way that I'm built. So, so this would be multiple streams if we need to. But, I don't know, I'll kind of just do whatever. Oh, should I, do you guys want to go, like, want me to go over the goals and incentives? Built different? Yeah. I'm built different as in I'm built broken. Oh, you know what I should do? I should pull the giveaway winner from last month's, Pokemon painting. Wait, Mad-Eye, are you still here? It's okay if you're not. But Mad-Eye, if you're still here, I gotta show you your painting, because I don't think you saw. No, wait, he may have. I don't remember if he saw his most recent painting. Yeah. But don't worry, the G Fuel giveaway will be next. The G Fuel giveaway will be next. And that will be for a free tub of G Fuel. And the only caveat is that you have to pay for shipping. Which I know, but it's the only caveat. Was it random number generator? Pretty and I like her. Alright. No. Alright, we have 31 entries. But it's not letting me do the thingamajig. Wait, what are you trying to do? What? I don't know if Vixie can hear me right now because I think an ad is playing, so I'm sorry for the ads. But we are live on YouTube if you guys don't want to see the ads. No way! Wait, is that a golden birthday? Is that what it's called? I don't know if you can hear me. But I think that's like a golden birthday, right? Hi, Vixie! Is that a golden birthday? Is that what it's called? Alright. So we have, for September, we have Mad-Eye, Duncan, Knight Centurion, Salted Loki. Also, ignore any of the misspells, right? Sometimes I type these really quickly. Adri, Mad-Eye, Queen of Vikings, Master K9, Slasher, Night Spree, Slasher, Beth, Slasher, Salted Loki, Beth, and Beth. So we're doing 1 out of 31. Oh, you guys can't see this. Hold on. 1 out of 31. Generate 29! Salted Loki! Cool. So Salted Loki won last month's giveaway from September. So I will message them and ask them what Pokemon they want for their Pokemon painting. Here's the one that Mad Eye won a couple months ago. So, and I also made it so that, what is it, 50 gifted subs? Yeah, if anybody does 50 gifted subs, you also will just get a Pokemon painting too. I'll paint one and send it to you. Cool. So Salta Loki 1. I shall message them. Cool beans. And then this next one is for October. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright. You guys ready? Hi, Asher. How does one get their birthday on a thingy? On, wait, what? Like in the Discord, Vixie? In the, there's the birthday channel in the Discord, and you just use the Discord bot to add your birthday. I missed a golden birthday for me. Mine was when I was 15, so. No, I didn't really do anything for my birthday. Guys, get your last, you just go to the Discord, and then just, use the Discord bot to add your birthday. It's like, something remember, and then, how to do it is pinned in the channel. Yeah. And then, that's when the Discord bot will be like, oh, hey, it's, so-and-so's birthday. And then usually Tom and I will say happy birthday. Yeah, alright, we're gonna draw the winner for the giveaway, so you guys, make sure you enter the giveaway. This is for the Space Panda $10 gift card. So if you guys are looking for some weed things, $10 gift card. And if you use my discount code, which is 30% off, it's only like $10 or something, which is pretty cool. Yeah, Music Kid, it's like people who are younger are like, I don't know, I never did anything special for my birthday. Now I was 15. Like, I don't know. I think it's like for different, like, I think different families, maybe different cultures, maybe, do that with golden birthdays. But as far as my family or my culture, we don't do that. All right. We're drawing the winner. Caesar's a legend. Caesar's, I'm going to message you on Twitch. I'm going to send you a whisper. I know. I'm going to send you a whisper right now. Dun, dun. Congratulations. Don't worry, guys. There's going to be more giveaways if we hit, more goals. All right. I'm going to whisper you. I don't think this expires, but that's just the code for your gift card. So you just go to Space Panda. Oh, I think it's just Panda, isn't it? Yeah. If you go to Space Panda, you can use that with like other discounts. So like they sometimes do buy one get one free. And you could use my discount code as well. So you could save it for buy one get one free, or my discount code is I think 30% off. And yeah, just make sure you use it with a discount because that's like awesome to save money and it's a discount. So gotta do both of them. Awesome. So let's do a giveaway for G Fuel. Archive. Create giveaway. Let's do hashtag B-Day. We'll do that. G Fuel tub. Now, so this one, the only caveat for this one is that you do have to pay for shipping. Down by my mom. All right, cool. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 tubs to give away. Should we hit these goals? Hi, Panda! Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kissy. Hashtag B-Day if you guys want to enter in to win a G Fuel tub. Perfecto. Wouldn't want to think what the shipping to Canada costs. It is definitely a lot more expensive when it's out of country, especially like recently. You should see the cost of Bad Dragon to the UK. Is that just for shipping? What is the shipping for that? What's up, Zachary? Zachary, happy Wednesday. Guys, hashtag B-Day. So should we start off with some DBD or should we do, I don't know. Because there's also, so I'm part of like the Blumhouse. Hundreds for shipping? Yeesh. I'm part of the Blumhouse gamer creator program. Shout out to Blumhouse. Cannot wait for Five Nights at Freddy's in December. And they have a new demo available for their game called Sleep Awake. And I was maybe going to play that today sometime too. DBD? Alright, let's play DBD first. The stream might like lag for a second, but that just happens whenever I open the game, so just ignore that. Ignore that. Yes, I have played the new killer. We got her Adept, and then we got the Adept for V as well. What's up, Panda Bear? I like your name. Oh, thanks! This was from last year's Fear Fest from G Fuel. I actually still have an extra collector's box. Hold on. Yeah, I actually have a bunch of like extra things. I haven't had a chance to give away, you know? Because we never really hit like any of our goals or anything. So I just have these just sit here. So this is like the pink Valentine's version that they did. And then this is, oh, it's actually kind of dusty. Hold on. Ignore the dog hair on there. But this is, I don't even think they sell these anymore. It's the collector's box. And it has the stainless steel shaker. I don't know, maybe if we hit like a crazy sub goal for my birthday, I could give this away to somebody. And then it has the tub. I know! I have so many really cool things to give away. But because it costs so much to ship them, that's why I like, because this stuff costs so much to ship, like, shipping something like this to Canada, it cost me $40 just to fucking ship it, which is $4 more than I have. So that's why, like, it has to be monetary goals for me to send this stuff, because I can't afford to send it, like, for, like, funsies, you know? I wish I was rich, you know? I wish I could. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo, have you guys seen Sinners? God, this movie's so good. All right, this is when the stream might lag for a second, so just ignore that. It's just the DVD loading. Kicking my feet, kicking my hair and twirling my feet. Oda just be able to afford healthcare, you know. Also, speaking of which, I have a $2,000 medical bill to pay. Yippee! What's up, Lobster? I'm not doing open lobbies, no. If we hit the 250 sub goal, we'll do a future open lobbies. But I did open lobbies yesterday. No, not yesterday. Monday. We did open lobbies on Monday. A silly G-Fuel cup that has a sexy anime girl on it. Oh yeah, that's the was it Goth Girlfriend or something, right? Yeah, we did open lobbies on Monday. Also, hi Lobster. There we go. Sucks you need to do all of them to get the completion rewards. Man, I don't even look at the quests. Oh dear. Am I missing out, Rosaria? Oh man. Damage 15 generators. 15 generators in your trial. Do you know how long that code is good for? As far as I know, it doesn't expire. As far as I know, you should be good to use it forever. Oh, Max, that'd be cute. Oh, Panda, thank you so much. Thank you. 2 badges and 2 banners. I don't know. I'm not really paying attention. I don't even know. There's only 5 days left of the Rift Pass? Oy, Jamoy. Okay, maybe it's a good thing you guys told me to play DBD. Maybe it's a good thing. Are we doing open matches? Not yet. Maybe. What do you guys think? Maybe if we hit our next sub goal, we could do it? Our next sub goal is at 50 subs. So if we hit 50 subs, we'll I could start doing open lobbies. I'm rushing the last 10 tiers of the rift. Oh, I already forgot. How many more do I need? Oh, not the tomes. How do I even see? How do I even see the rift? There it is. Oi, Jamoy. Yeah, I'm about 10 away as well. No boot, Ash. Spades! Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kissy. My foot is still in a lot of pain, but I'm also walking 5 to 6 miles every single day too, on top of that, so it hurts a lot. Yeah, only 5 days left of the rift. Woo! But yeah, no boot. What's up, Gary? Oi, Shamoy. Yeah, sure. Why not? Whatever. I'll put my cake back on. Dweeb! Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kissy. Oh, Fixie. I literally went broke in like 2020 because I spent so much money on all my friends that were streamers. Yeah. I regretted it when I got my credit card bill, but it was fun to make my friends smile. It was worth it. It was definitely worth it, but yeah. Yeah, it was like November 2020 was a rough financial month for me. Oh, Shamoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's up, Danger Dan? Ah, thank you for the forehead kissy. Yeah, I totally get it. But hey, you guys do not have to spend money to be here. You guys being here and hanging out means the world to me, truly. After this game, we'll draw the winner. Whoa, why am my microphone freaking out? Hello? Hello, God? Oh, I heard that Spotify. Hold on. Is that better? Yeah. That was weird. Oh, okay. Now there's like a crazy delay. Oh, I sounded fine? Oh, that's weird. Well, I have to turn this off anyway. Oh, you didn't hear anything? Weird. Okay, well, either way. Oh, what's up, Minister Nickname? Good luck. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. It was like crackling in my ears, and then like I got like a 3-second delay on my microphone, so I had to turn off my microphone in my ear, so. Happy birthday. Aw, thanks, Gary. That's so sweet of you. What the hell? Hi, Snowflake Kitty. Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kissy. Hello, Michonne. Hello, Rick Grimes. I see you and your wife are chilling. All right. Okay. Wait, what map are we on? Oh, it's this one. Okay, that's fine. What's up, BJM? After this game, we'll draw the winner for the G Fuel tub. So, hashtag B-Day, B-D-A-Y in chat. If you guys want to enter in and win a free tub of G Fuel, any tub of G Fuel on the website, which is great because they have the 2.0 tubs on the website right now. Also, this weekend, this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, my code will be boosted. My G Fuel discount code will be boosted. So it's not gonna, matter with the free tub, because the free tub is gonna be free no matter how much it costs. No! No! Okay. Alright, at least we know it's a Michael. Oh, no! No! Oh, God. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. But, this weekend, so if you guys are looking to grab any of those, like, really cool, pre-orders, like the Dan, the, like, Naruto, the, Demon Slayer, any of the really, the Borderlands, all the stuff that's, like, been available for pre-order, if you guys want to get that stuff for a hella discount, because my discount's going to be 30% off this weekend, it's going to be the best discount that you can get. Not today. My birthday is going to be during TwitchCon, which I won't be here for, unfortunately. I will not be here for. So, I'm starting the celebrations a little bit early. Oh, wait. Is there a middle gen that I can do? I think I'll actually... Whoa! Whoa! No! Stop, that's so scary. Oh, what'd I get stuck on? What'd I get stuck on? No! No, wait. I get here. Stop. Bam. No, bam. Okay. Is there a paillette here? There is. I'm scared. Ah! It was 50-50. Wait, today's your birthday, BGM? Guys, everyone say happy birthday to BGM. Happy birthday. No way! Happy Libra season, my friend. Happy Libra. Oh, he's got like a little like Minecraft axe on his hook. Happy heckin' birthday. Sorry, reading the email. Asher! Thank you for saying happy birthday to BJM. Around the general time frame. I'm a firm believer that, thank you, Lauren! I'm a firm believer that, you guys should always make a big deal about your birthday because, I've been this person too, where it's like, people will complain all the time. It's like, oh, well, no one celebrates my birthday. Oh, no one makes a big deal about my birthday. But then they will never tell their friends or they'll never tell their peers when their birthday is. So it's like, well, yeah, no one's going to make a big deal about your birthday if you, in turn, don't make a big deal about your birthday. How are people supposed to just, like, know that it's your birthday unless you tell people about it, you know? So, I just... But thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. I like your name. It's a clever way to spell your name. But I do have anonymous follows on, so I see you. I appreciate you. But feel free to just lurk if you like. What's up, M-Fonz? Exactly, Tom. Also, English. Thank you for the forehead, QC. Like, I understand people get upset, like, if they said, oh, hey, like, this is my birthday, and I invited, like, 20 of my friends, and no one came, and it's like, they like, did a whole bunch of preparation. Like, if you do the prep, and you do, like, the advertising, like, I understand getting upset. But the thing is, there's so many people. Thank you guys so much for the lurks. You guys are so sweet. There's so many people, and I used to be that person, which is why now I do make a big deal about it. Because if you want people to make a big deal about yourself, you have to be the first person. I've said this from day one. If you ever want to celebrate something, or if you want people to celebrate you on something, you need to be your own biggest fan. And so if you hit a follower goal, you need to be the one to start that hype. Because if you hit like 1,700 subs or 2,000 or not subs or followers or 2,000 followers or 15,000 followers, whatever goal that you guys had, and like sure there might be like some like person like 1% of the time they'll be like, oh my god, you just hit 2,000 followers, congratulations. Like, okay, cool, like that's really nice of them to notice, but like more often than not, like we're the ones that notice that ourselves before we notice that on someone else. So you make the hype and people will follow suit. So, like, right now, I'm making the hype for my birthday. Guys, celebrate me! Odd poo. And so, I'm taking that initiative to do that. So, people can't be like,
Oh, no one's celebrating my birthday. Oh, no one cares about me.
it's like, no. They just didn't know. I think it's, like, super selfish and super self-centered and super main character energy for people to assume that just because, like, you said when your birthday was one time in 2022, 3 years later, you expect everybody and their mother to remember, like, when your birthday is. I don't know. I don't know. Why, Sheboygan? Stop that, you're so scary. Stop. He's so tall, and I still can't see. Oh, no! Ah! Ah! How? I'm sorry. Oh, my God.
Oh, toxic.
Wah! I'm under a pallet. Are you guys hearing sound twice? I'm hearing sound, like, echoing. Are you guys hearing that? Eden! Mwah. Thank you for the forehead, QC. Who I haven't seen or talked to in years. That was crazy. Oh, really? Like a birthday text? No echo? Okay, good. I'm hearing an echo. It's so weird. Sounds fine. Okay, cool. Thank you, Eden. Cool. Well, hey, That's nice that they said happy birthday to you, right? That's good. Oh, both doors are over here. Okay. All right, I'll take it. That's okay. It's solo queue. I expect to be left here. Don't teabag! Killer, I don't know them. I don't know them. I don't claim them. I'll never understand people who teabag. I'll never understand it. I'll never, ever, ever understand it. No. Well, I can't leave the Michonne, right? Aw, damn. Oh, I didn't heal anybody either, so I don't have conviction. Damn. That's alright. What was I saying? I'll never understand people that teabag. Especially, like, let's be honest, M1 Killer, on this map, which is, like, one of the easiest, like, as long as the survivors are paying attention, one of the easiest— oh, no way, she did get up! Let's go! Get out! Get out, Michonne! Get out! Get out, Michonne! Get out! Get! Hell yeah! No way she got out. I'm so glad. I teabag 'cause I don't like coffee ground. I did have a really nice cup of tea earlier. Some black tea. It was very good. GG's, Minister! Sorry that person teabagged. Not that it matters, but... how rude. GG's! You totally didn't scare me at all. GG's. Oh, thank you, Michonne. Michonne, you're so sweet. I love you. W Deliverance. Oh, and Unbreakable too. Cool. Thank you, BJF. Thank you. What are you going to do for your birthday today? Anything special? Also, let's draw the giveaway winner. Tom, you want to get on the giveaway? I'm just joking. I'm going to open up my Spotify again and see, let's try out the new Michael. What do you think? What did you think of— you don't like him? I haven't played him yet. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. The sound sounds weird. Does that sound weird to you guys, or is the music okay? Yes, entering the giveaway! Guys, hashtag B-Day. Here, I'll announce it one more time. Okay, it's a little crackly for me. I don't know what that is. Is it my headset, maybe? Eesh. Eesh. All right, so this is for a code for a free tub of G Fuel. Like, any tub on the website, the only caveat is that you do have to pay for shipping. Hi, Gorvax, the DK. We are celebrating my birthday today. Welcome in, and we're doing we're just about to draw a winner for a G Fuel tub. Oh, I should update my command, but I'm drinking Miami Nights tonight. Miami Nights. Oh, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh, we've had such a good games today. Wait, really, Asher? Oh, no. So you think it might be the headset? Oh, no. But if you guys want to enter in the giveaway, you guys got one more chance. Like 10 seconds away from pulling the winner. Hashtag birthday. Get in there. Minister, get in here. The only caveat is that you have to pay for shipping, but I don't think the codes expire. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Max! Congratulations, Max. You've won a code for a free tub of G Fuel. And you can use it whenever. You can use it on anything, any of the new 2.0 formulas. We do have some more codes to give away if we hit goals. But yeah. Congo Rats. Congo Rats is crazy. Let me get this code for you. Ah, there we go. Some Ice 9 kills. Yather. Alright, Max, if you can hear me, I am going to message you, because I might be in the game right now. Code for a free tub of G Fuel. It's time to play, motherfucker. I love Ice 9 kills. Ava comes in every size. All right. Hey, Max, check your Twitch whispers. I just sent you a code for a free tub of G Fuel. Yippee! You won. Congratulations. Archive. Cool. And so, if we hit our next sub goal at 50 subs.
Happy 4
Hi,
months,
Peppa.
Pixie.
Devilicious. Mwah. Thank you for the 4 kiss. You guys, it was Devilicious' birthday last month.
Well, generosity is always a
Peppa.
noble
Mwah. Thank you for the 4
virtue.
kissy.
Whether it be in the
Bougie!
streets, at the charity box, or
Betwixt the
seat.
seat. Thanks, Brian. Thank you so much. I know, Devil. I'm so sorry. I actually didn't remember until like the day after. I should have texted you. I'm so sorry. But I hope you had such a good birthday, Devil. And Bushy, thank you for the 5 gifted. I'm gonna put your name on my Blumpkin. This is my pumpkin. This is my birthday pumpkin. His name is Blumpkin. What's up, all good? Thank you so much. Devil, what'd you do for your birthday? W. Hunter's Adept. Bushy Black Chick. Thank you so much, guys. If you got gifted a sub. Phoenix, Pretty, Clever Bell, Triss, or Da Puppy Cat. Please enjoy your emotes, ad-free view it, and your sub badge. And make sure you thank your gifter. Wait, did I give you? Peppa, I did. Okay, Peppa. Mwah. Thank you for the 4 kissy. Oh, whatever, Devil. Don't you dare. Save your money! All good says, Pokemon chat. Guys, who's your favorite Pokemon? Who's your favorite Pokemon? Squirtle! Mine is Clefable. Make you with bitch. Porygon! Oh, Porygon is such a good one. Eevee. Oh, Eevee's so good. Mimikyu's so good. And every size. Bushy! Let's go! Let's go! You guys are on my Blumpkin. My Blumpkin pumpkin. Oh, man. Thank you so much, Bushy. You're so sweet. Squirtle and all the evolutions. If you guys had to pick, whether it's your favorite Pokemon or not, who is your favorite evolution? If you had to pick just one. Just one. If there was a pick, you know what? I'm actually kind of surprised that there isn't one, Ash. Right? Misty Psyduck and Hari Psyduck. Holy Umbreon Batman! All 3 of you said Umbreon at the exact same time. That's so funny. Haru Psyduck? Psyducks are cute. Another Umbreon! I know Rizen's is Umbreon as well. I don't know. I don't know, Rosar. I'm just, like, ignorant, though. I'm just, like, dumb. Temple! Umbreon 2? Mine's probably, like, either Flareon or Vaporeon. Are you shitting my dick right now, Devil? Devil, thank you for the 10 gifted subbies! Flareon, I love Flareon. Wait, we hit the 52! Guys, Halloween horror movie night in the Discord. My finger slipped. Uh-huh. Peppa, enjoy your lurky turkey! Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for the resub, too. Da-da, for 4 months. It's crazy. Thank you so much, Peppa. Oh, it's on Netflix? Oh, yeah, so I've never seen that. I'm lame. Guys, if you got to give this up, make sure you say, thank you. Thank you for giving this up to Pizza Roll Ho, Midnight Vibe, Odd Luck, Nikita, Elysian Abyss, Wicked Dreaded Samurai, a Nightshade, Izumi's Halo, Lydia, and Binksy. Thank you guys so much. Ooh, Dragonair, Melodic, or Alolan Vulpix. Wait, what did you think of that Alolan Ninetales that we painted the Ansmos? Would you think that looked cool? Leafeon is such a dope Pokemon, though. Okay, now, for all my Umbreon lovers, regular Umbreon or shiny Umbreon? Devil, you're gonna make me do another pickle juice shot, by the way. Regular? I like the regular. I like the black and gold. The black and blue looks great. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, but I love me a good black and gold. Shiny. The shiny is pretty dope though. This on my shoulder. Da 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 da. Please tell us why. Anytime Devil tries to do a Cash App, I refund it. It's because you're too nice, Devil! You're too nice! Now you're on my Blumpkin to Pumpkin. I'm just going to someone's stream but saw you and had to say your absolute card. Whoa! Vacant Vito, no you! That is so sweet! I know! We hit 50 subs, guys! I also had to do a pickle shot because I'm a man of my word. Man of my word. That's 10 gifts, right? And I have to do a bean boozle. A bean boozle. Don't know you, I know you. You guys know mine's bigger. Alright, let's do a prediction as well. Mailing cash. No. I'll beat you up with my mouth on your forehead. Oh, Vacant. Thank you very much for coming by and saying hello. It was very sweet of you. Extinct. Thank you for the forehead kissy. Alright, we're gonna do another prediction. I'm gonna take my pickle juice shot while you guys are predicting. Ooh, Max, have you had G Fuel before? Ah, how poetic. Birthday cake or dirty dishwasher? Fun fact, this is like my least favorite bean to get because the birthday cake also tastes like ass. And so this is like a pretty bad bean no matter what. All right, good birthday cake or bad dishwasher? Yo, Lapis! Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kissy. Oh, you're so sweet, Lapis. Have a good day at work. All right, guys, get your votes in. In the meantime, while I wait for the 2-minute prediction for you guys to vote, if you guys think it's going to be a good bean or a bad bean, let's see. Let you guys get a good look at it. Do you guys think that looks like birthday cake or dishwasher? Either way, it's going to be awful. Have a good day, Devil. Devil, thank you very much for coming by. Thank you so much for your subbies. Let me take your pickle juice shot. At least it's not spicy. You know what? I feel like I would rather eat a pickle than eat something spicy. I don't know. I guess like the bad taste, I suppose, is like pretty fleeting. What's a pickle shot? It's like you know, like a 5-hour energy. It's like that shaped bottle, but it's all pickle juice. Where you get those? I got mine from Amazon. I got this like pack. I had these from when we did our Pickle Palooza stream a little bit ago, and I had 7 more, so it's like, okay, let's do it for the birthday stream today. Hi, Blakers! Blakers, happy Wednesday! Happy hump day! So, but they're disgusting because they're pickles, but, you know, some of you guys might like it. Kyle, I'm gonna beat you up. Kyle, I'm literally gonna beat you up. How do I refund subs?
At the charity box, or betwixt the sheets.
Look at all the people that are getting subs that are in chat! Kyle, thank you for giving a sub to Myson, BJM, Sunny Easy, Chaotix, and Marissa Munster. You don't? Guys, without asking questions, give Kyle lots of love right now, or I'm gonna ban you. Oh, that's a pickleback, Rosaria. Wait, what is a pickleback? It's like something, like you take a shot of something, French toast sticks, I don't remember what it is, and then you follow it up with a pickle shot. But this is just literally just like a shot of pickle juice. Oh my god, 2 weeks, Blakers! Jameson and pickle juice? Wait, do I have a Jameson? What is Jameson? Is that a whiskey? Because I have these like whiskeys, I have these shooters from Easter when my dad like hides Easter eggs in the backyard, and they're filled with little shooters. I do have some whiskeys here. Do you guys want me to do a pickleback shot? Should I do a pickleback shot? I have Texas bourbon whiskey. That's 45% alcohol. No, I'm good. Scar, enjoy your lurky turkey! Rosario's like, no, I was joking! Jameson's a whiskey. All I know is that I don't like Jameson. I have this blended Canadian. Oh, that's all 40%. Okay, maybe if something crazy happens later. Maybe if we get through all 7 of them. Maybe we'll do that. Because, like, that's crazy. Do a clear one. I have gin. 40% is the lowest a whiskey can be. Yeah, so maybe... Wait, today's your birthday, Imani! Imani, happy birthday! Oh my god, so many birthdays today. Jameson's a nice guy, though, is he? Oh! I hope you're okay, Autistic Panda. Oh my god. I'd offer to give you a hug, but that'd probably hurt you. Alright, well, I yapped too long. Let's see what the prediction was. Because I might just wash it down with the pickles. Wow, it's pretty split! 56% think it's going to be good birthday cake. 44% think it's going to be bad dishwasher. Alright. I'm going to wash it down with the pickle juice shot. Because I'm pretty sure I'd prefer to drink pickle juice than eat this thing. Is that weird? Oh, God! Oh, that's so bad! Hello? Oh, that's so bad. What is happening? Reiki! Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh, I just gleeked. Oh, you guys liked it. Oh, that was so bad. Yuck. Yuck. Reiki, thank you so much. Was that 3 subbies? Thank you so much. Congratulations for everyone who voted for bad. That was definitely Dirty Dishwasher. And that was Disgusting. Oh my gosh. Thank you for giving a subby to Calm Soda, Stone Grey Fox, and to Rose Bloom. What the hell? Yes, 1 tub. Yeah, Max, one whole tub. And you just have to pay for shipping. Did you really call? No way! Reiki, thank you so much. Also, Kyle, let me get your name on my Blumpkin. I want to go get a new permanent marker really quickly. Hold on. Whoa, that was so bad. Yucky. Ugh. My lips are all like vinegary. Wait, what's wrong? What's wrong with the code, Tom? Hey, what's up, Myson? Am I saying your name right? Enjoy your gifted subby. My lips taste like pickles. They're so bad. Who wants a lick? Dr. Finkelstein. Thank you for the forehead kissy. I love you so much. Me. Me. Oh yeah, that's a good marker. All right, Kyle, enjoy your name on my birthday pumpkin, also known as my Blumpkin. I hope you guys enjoy being written on my Blumpkin. Thanks, Gabby! It was Dirty Dishwasher. Oh, gotcha, Tom. Gotcha. My tongue is crazy. Thank you, Vicen. I hope I'm saying your name right. Enjoy your subby. Ranky, you're so sweet. You're drunk? What are we drinking? I just had 2 shots of pickle juice. No alcohol, just pickle juice. All misery. You have a good blunt? A beer, baby. I was thinking that maybe later I'll start drinking some of that Angry Orchard Jason Voorhees collab. Mickey! Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kissing. Really, Tom? They just said, like, just screw yourselves? Thanks, Mickey! DVD! Oh, we're still on DVD, don't worry. Do not worry. Beer's my thing? Listen. More for you. Whenever we go out on our date, Ranky, when we go to our bar date, you enjoy your beer. I'll have a martini. I had a martini for the first time. Like, was it last month or the month before? So it's not so bad. Did you see it, Caesars? I made a TikTok about it. Here, do you guys want to see it?
You guys want to see it?
Wait, did my thing not work? Dirty or regular? What's the difference? Why is this not working? There it is. Okay. Okay, it's my Reddit account. Did you guys just see something about a hype train? Or am I crazy? Why would a hype train start when nothing happened? What? What? I'm so confused. What's happening? Chrissy! Mwah! Gabby! Mwah! YBC! Mwah! Hi, everybody! You guys can't hear anything, but... Oh, do you guys want to hear it? No, you can't hear it. You can't hear the audio. I don't feel like changing it right now, but... But did a hype train start on your guys' end, too? Why did a hype train start? Nothing happened. Isn't that dope? Yeah? Weird. Weird. Calm? Oh, it's olive juice? Interesting. I don't know. I think I just had a regular one. Random hype train? Oh, weird. Well, okay. We had a level 8 hype train earlier. Thank you so much. Dirty has olive juice. Okay. No, I think mine was just a regular one. So dirty is olive juice. Interesting. I would drink a dirty martini, though. Interesting. I'll miss anyone's kisses. I'll give you any drinks. Any drinks. Any. What's our next goal? Oh, okay. So we've only done this once before, but if we hit 100 subs, if, we're going to do the community 2 truths and 1 lie. And that was super fun the last time we did it. And shut up, Panda. And so what we're going to do is we'll just yap for a little bit, and I'll do like a channel point redemption, and people can redeem it, and then you guys can send me your 2 truths and a lie. I'll show it on the stream or on screen so people can like read it, and then we'll do predictions where people can guess like what Panda Monster's 2 truths and 1 lie is. And so we've done it once before, and it was super fun because I think it's a super cute way to like get to know the community, but then also for people to do predictions and get channel points. 2 lies, 1 truth. We could do that too. It depends. If you want to do 2 lies and 1 truth instead, that's cool. Yeah, we could do that for like an hour or something, right? Yeah, it's super cute. And we've done it only once before. It was so much fun, and the community loved it so much. Stock, thank you so much! 3 lies and no truth is crazy. 4 lies, what? Y'all are crazy. Let me add something to my be right back, not my be right back screen. Let me add some sort of like goal thing to my game scene, because I want to have something on my game scene that like shows the subs. 2 truths, 1 lie with me. I'll let you do it. 69 lines. The thing is, I wouldn't even be able to think of like 5 facts about myself. 6 truth, 9 lies. Y'all keep me young and breedable, submissive. Y'all keep me young and virile, submissive, and breedable. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Oh, what the hell?
Help is on the way!
Oh, you sneaky little otter. You sneaky. Thank you so much. Welcome in, Raiders. What's up, Lala's delivery service? What's up, Peach Tea? What's up, Minxie? What's up, Ducks? What's up, B Shuki? My voice didn't crack. Your voice cracked.
Hello.
What's up, Loki's Meowza? What's up, Ego Brain? What's up, Meowcity? Oh my god. What's up, Scarlet Witch? What's up, Pink Chella? What's up, Fox Turney? What's up, Slurped You? What's up, Minxie? What's up, Scrappy? Too Tough? What's up, Ava Vex? Thank you so much. What's up, Simp? Enjoy your Lucky Turkeys. What's up, Elite Revelation? I know how to read. You're an otter? What am I? What are those seals that go like... That's me.
Hello.
Because I'm fat, and when I'm happy, I just go... What's up, Josiah? Thank you guys so much for all the follows. I do have anonymous follows on, but I see every single one of you. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. What's up, Ars Leonis? Oh my god. Listen, you have 117 in your name. I'm a huge Halo fan. Welcome in. What's up, Eel Gut? Not fat thick? No, I am fat. Fat is not a bad word. I appreciate what you mean, though. Is that a dog? Do you guys want to see my dog? Hello, Boo. Do you want to say hi to the Raiders? You want to say hi to the Raiders? Okay. 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 Alright. Boo, pay your rent. Pay your rent, Boo. He says hello. He says hello. I love you. It is a pit bull, yes. Say hello to the Raiders. Hi, Vanilla Breen. Lauren. Mwah. Thank you for the forehead kissy. Ah! Yo, everyone go follow the homie Stock. Stock, thank you so much for the raid. You guys are so sweet. You see so smile. You happy boy. Happy boy. Do you want him? Thank you so much, Stock. You're so sweet. Everyone go follow the homie Stock. Stock, if you have to go raid and run, do not feel bad about doing so. But if you guys are new here, welcome in. My name is Pixel Ken. I play a lot of DBD and a variety of horror games. I have 3 cats and 2 dogs, and I have anxiety, ADHD, and autism. Are you shitting my dick right now?
At the charity
Lauren, thank you.
Twix the sheep.
Loki's Meowza! Ew! Oh my god, Stocked. Good luck!
Hello.
What's up, Spicy Duck? Thank you, I made him myself. Thank you guys so much for all the follows. What the helly? What the hell? Thank you guys so much. You guys are being really nice to me. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave right now. You guys don't mind?
Hello.
Loki's Meowza, thank you for giving us up to Josiah, Rick Beef, Mickey, The Great Hambino, and Zia! Thank you so much, Pink Cello. You guys are so sweet. A treat? A treat for Boo? Boo, would you like a treat? Make your own Boo at home with the following ingredients. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. You guys swallow it, monkey. You guys swallow it? Okay. Thank you, dogs! You guys are so sweet. Oh my gosh. Alright, thank you. Thank you for helping me pay my rent bill. The mortgage was due today. Thank you so much, Bill. Good boy. Big stretch. Back into his boo beanbag chair. Also, Loki's Meowza. Guess who gets their name on my birthday pumpkin, aka my Blumpkin? He's precious. You can have him. Just kidding. You can't have him. He's mine. What's up, Tyler? Wah! I need 5+ gifted subs to get your name on my birthday pumpkin, aka my Blumpkin. Thank you guys seriously so much for all the follows. You guys are so sweet. What the hell? Stop. Stop being nice to me. I didn't know. Birthday pumpkin. My Blumpkin. Loki's Meowza. Tyler, thank you for the forehead kissy. Here you are. Loki's Meowza on my birthday pumpkin. My Blumpkin! I just want any excuse to say Blumpkin. What's up, Faisal? Guys, you want to see a raid trailer? That question is irrelevant. Redundant. What's the word? I'm gonna play it anyway. Don't look at my goddamn shade.
Merry Crisis. Merry Crisis.
It went everywhere! Why is the music like this? I can't stop looking at my cleavage. I'm sorry. It squirts in your mouth. Not in your hands. By the way, it's Pixel. It's not really Bob Ross. It's me. It's Pixel. My mouth tastes like barf and stink bug. Who wants a lick? Who wants a lick? Thank you guys so much for being here. Stocks, thank you so much for the raid. What the hell? But if you guys need to go raid and run, do not feel bad by doing so. Please get your post-stream self-care. We're gonna play some DBD. We're gonna play some DBD. I want to play a little bit of No, I'm Not a Human later. I'm part of the Blumhouse creator program, and so I want to play the Sleep Awake demo. There's a bunch of stuff I want to do today, so I volunteer as tribute. Oh, jeez. You ever drink Bailey's out of a shoe? Kind of intro's crazy. Got kicked out of a meeting due to my duck puns. I get it, though. No one wanted to hear me quack jokes. What's up, Leaf? Everyone say hi, Leaf! Also, if I've missed anyone's messages, I'm so sorry. Please retype them. I don't want to be a hater and miss your messages. I'm so sorry. Dum, bum, bum, bum. Come to me home. Alright. Alright, I think I fixed the thing. Oh my god, so this Boo beanbag chair I got from, oh god. Here's a throwback. Think Geek. Before they went out of business, or before they got absorbed by GameStop, I got it from Think Geek because it was on sale. Because they were being absorbed by GameStop. And it sat in my storage unit for like 5 years. And then I know, right? Old Think Geek, right? And then I actually didn't, I didn't start using it until I got this house in 2022. I adopted him in 2023, and it was just like was kind of perfect that his name was Boo when I adopted him. I had this Boo beanbag chair, and now that's his bed. So it kind of worked out. I love the chair. It's so good. I'm so glad. I'm so glad I got it like 5 years before I even took it out of its box. It was in a box, and then I took it out of the box because the box got ruined in my storage unit, and so it was just sitting in a plastic bag for years. And I finally got a house and I was able to put it out there because it didn't fit in any of my apartments I lived in. Shoo. Yeah. Anywho. Let me add the timer to this scene because I am a professional streamer and I know what I'm doing. Does that work? That's fine, right? You guys don't mind that, right? I should make it a little bit smaller. Does that work? And then... Oh. You guys will let me know if the audio starts getting weird, right? Are you 30 years old? I'm 33! Well, I'm turning 33. My birthday is technically not until, I know, I'm a liar. I'm a liar. Big fat phony. Until TwitchCon, because my birthday is during TwitchCon. I know. There you go. Oh, thanks! It's because I never leave my house. So I never see the sun. The only time I go outside is to walk my doggies. Happy Wednesday, Ghost Mom! Guys, I have to play an ad now. I'm so sorry. I'm the worst! Hi, Orc Dork, thank you so much! I have to do an ad. I'm so sorry. But I'm going to do an ad now so there's no ad in game. But we are live on YouTube if you guys don't want to see any stinky ads. Have a good night, Ducks! Ducks, thank you so much for being here. Guys, seriously, go get your post-stream self-care. And for whatever reason, if you guys like what you see here... Who's Coochie Cult? If you guys like what you see here, I do have some socials if you guys want to follow. You guys don't got to! But if you guys like what you see here, for whatever reason. Oh, wait, didn't I say that if we hit 50 subs, I would do open lobbies? I did say that. And I'm a man of my word. Does anybody want to join? I did. I did say that. I did. Oh my god. Look at you. Thank you for reminding me. I never said I was a smart man. Oh, if anyone wants to join. Do you have links for where you get your reins? Oh. You're so sweet. Oh, man. I think I might be able to have a link. For definitely 2 of them, my thumbs. I think I have my thumbs. Yeah. Oh, my shards? Yeah, I never use my shards. I never use them. I actually did use a bunch recently. Yeah. I actually did use a bunch. I think I had 190 something K shards, and then I used a bunch. I could go with story time. This is a peach moonstone elephant that was from my late grandma's jewelry collection, and now I just wear it because it makes me feel closer to her. This one is one that I might have a link for, but it is there's like dog hair everywhere. The name escapes me right now. I'll think of it when it's like when I'm not thinking about it. This I found in my backyard like last week. Spirits, let's go. Hi, Iva, thank you so much. I found this in the dirt in my backyard last week, and you can tell it's fake because it's already turning my finger like black. But I found this in the dirt, and I liked it. I thought it was cool, so I found this in my backyard. So shout out to my backyard. And then there's this one, which is a Bumblebee Jasper. I got it from a local rock shop, and it's too local. I can't tell you guys where it is because it's too local. This one is a carnelian one where I might have a link for. I think it's like called Angelic Roots on Etsy. I could find a link for that. This one I think is also carnelian. And then this one is a moonstone and God, why am I escaping? Yeah, open lobbies. Yeah, I told Fixie that if I hit the 50 subs that we do open lobbies, and I'm man of my word. 2 more weeks so I can kiss you on the mouth. What? Who said that? Anyway, so I might have this link as well. I have to look it up. This one was a birthday gift from that same rock shop from this one. They gave this to me because I was such a regular, and I was like, hey, it's my birthday. And they're like, well, here, you can just have this for free. So it's a garnet ring that I got free. And then this one I got from a TikTok store in 2020. And I actually did check, and I don't think they do. I don't think they have the store open anymore, but it's just like some evil eye one. Oh, jeez.
Dino dance, Dino dance, Dino dance, Dino dance, Dino dance, Dino dance, Dino dance.
Oh, that's okay, Shappy. It's not like we're gonna stop as soon as you want to play. Hold on. I used to have a command for the links. No. This guy in YouTube, let me read this YouTube comment. Are you married? Because at this age, you should be married. Are you educated? Because I feel like at this age, you should be educated. Anywho. Mira, thank you for the 18 months! What did I miss? Oh, I was just showing off my rings. I used to have a link. Panda, don't let me forget. Don't let me forget. Actually, you know what? Can I find the link right now? Etsy? Iva, thank you for the 4 months! Thank you for the 4 months. Mira, thank you so much for the 18 months. Thank you guys so much. Let me see. Oh, that's the wrong button. That's my shop. Moonstone is your birthstone! Wait, what month is that? What month was Moonstone? Because I'm peanut butter and jealous. I'm trying to find the Angelic Roots shop. Oh, you made... Wait, are you in, Shabby? I got you. Thank you for saying something in chat. Because now I have to, like, accept it. So, thank you for saying that. Or else I would have missed it. Oh, here I found it. Yeah, okay, I found the shop. Ooh. Oh. So, I'm not sure if they have the exact same stuff, but I've bought a bunch of stuff from this website, Panda. Oh, June? Man. Peanut butter and jealous. Oh, of course, Panda. Escape cakes only gives you the bonus, I believe. Yeah, peanut butter and jealous, yeah. I like saying silly things. Like, I'll tell people, like, oh, have the breast day today instead of the best day because I think that's funny. I don't know, I'm autistic, so I just like to say things that are weird. Thank you guys so much for all the resubs, by the way. You guys are so sweet. We are 35 subs away? 35 subs away from doing our community 2 truths and a lie, by the way. Happy birthday. Thanks, Copper Kid. Thank you, guys. Happy Wednesday. Oh, Springtrap Adept. Nice. Let's go. Wait, what ice cream did you get, Ash? Which one gives everyone? Bloody Party Streamers. Bloody Party Streamers and one of the envelopes. I can't remember which one. What it was called, though. Oh my god, I haven't been eating my strawberries. What the hell, Beyonce? That's right. I think I forgot to change mine, too. Oh, cookies and cream. Hell yeah, butter. Hell yeah, butter. A spirit. I want strawberries. You can come over. Or you can, like, I could baby bird them into your mouth. What? I know, Panda. I know. I had to close the shop right away because it was like, if I keep looking at it, I'm gonna start, you know what I'm saying? Chloe, mwah, thank you for the forehead kissy. Oh, Bound Envelope, thank you. Bound Envelope was my nickname in high school. Who said that? That was weird. I'll join if there's room next match. Okay, we'll do 2 games with this group, and then we'll swap out. We'll do that. What's up, Chloe? Chloe, happy? That scared the hell out of me. Slasher! Okay, raise your hand if you vividly remember Slasher said that they were gonna save money for them. Slasher, thank you for the 20 gifted subs! I lied. Wow. That's rude as hell! Slasher, thank you, Kyle, thank you so much. Guys, everyone go follow Slasher. Slasher, thank you for the 20 gifted subs! If you guys got gifted subs, make sure you say, aw, thank you, and thank your gifter. I don't remember what 20 subs did. I think it's like I have to do a spicy Bean Boozled, don't I? Wow. Oh, it's Slasher, you get your own custom command. Yo, what's up, Panther? So, Slasher, no rush, but let me know what you want as a special... Oh, look at you. Oh, you're such a little juicy juice. I want to talk about it. She bullied me out of there. Spades, I'm sorry. She bullied me out of there. Oh my god. Don't follow me. Follow them. Especially if you like guys like bunnies. I feel like oh, there's someone on hook. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I'm so bad. I'm so bad at this video game. What was I about to say? Oh yeah. But yeah, Slasher. No rush. No pressure. But let me know. Via Discord DMs. What you want for your own custom command. Let me see if I can take a hit for this person. Yeah. Go. You gotta run left. Yeah. Okay. Oh no. They want them. Why would you look away from me? That's so silly. Just kidding. Just live and trying to come. Oh my god. So Chloe, I just found out earlier today that there's only 5 days left. Oh! I thought I was body blocking it, but I think I was just out of the way. I was just out of the way. There's only 5 days left for the rift! I'm gonna throw this, actually. Yeah. And I'll bugger off. Yeah. Try to get away from the hook, I think. Yeah. There's only 5 days left, and I have to do, like, 10 more Rift things. Juicy Duke's my nickname in high school is crazy. Whoa! Why there's so many pallets? Why there's so many pallets in this game? There's so many pallets! Why are there so many pallets? There's two pallets right next to each other. That's great. That's egregious. That's egregious. Yeah, but there's too many pallets. Oh my gosh. I've run into a conundrum with DBD. I'm kind of burnt out, but I also want. Oh, I also want the Rift. Yeah. Yeah. You have 5 days. You can't do the map survey? Lame. Guys, enjoy your subbies! Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. What was I about to say? Yo, let's go, Fox! Was that your first P100? Oh, okay, that's actually not bad. Yeah, that's not bad at all, Chloe.
Hello.
Hey, thank you so much for the follow. I have anonymous follows on, but if you want to say hello, hello. No way! Fox, that's awesome. Congrats on your first P100. Oh, lame. Lame, Rosaria. That sucks. Dead by Daylight low-key hating on Switch players. I'm actually gonna drop that. Oh, thank you! It is the, ah! It is the, oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, you get this. You don't mess it up like I do. That's my mod. That's my mod! It's from ColourPop Cosmetics, Cheyenne. Cheyenne? It's, from ColourPop Cosmetics. It's the Safiya Nygaard collection. Like, so old. I know. I think it's from 2020. The Safiya Nygaard collection. What color is it? Mrs. Norris, maybe? Yeah, as a Survivor main, these palettes are too much. Too much. Too many pellets. The Ada's name. That's my mod. Spade system. Ada's Hooter. Shabby Tugboat is Shappy in chat, and Coochie Cult is Vixie. Vixie Pixie in chat. Cheyenne. Thank you. Ooh! Yeah, it was a long time ago, right, Cheyenne? Oh my gosh. I need to heal somebody so I can get my my conviction. Somebody 99% heal Spades, and then let me get the last heal, and then let me get that in. Oh, I think I'm like 1 away from the Felix 1 Panda. Oh, that's right! There's so many side-by-side ones now, Rosaria. There's so many. I think I'm at 94? Question mark? 94 is my, what am I on right now? Oh, is that for me? Can't wait to mess that up. Cool, this is good. I'll have Conviction, and I have Last Stand Up as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't know, Shabby. The last time I took your... she's coming! The last time I took a flashbang from Shabby, I ended up having, like, the most perfect place to get a flashlight save. And I messed it up. Because I ended up picking up the flashbang instead of my flashlight. Oh, man. Oh, she really wants me out. She said, get out of my game. Oh, how I can't believe both these pallets are gone. That's crazy. Yeah, I didn't realize both the pallets are gone. When did the other pallet get dropped? That's right. I am. Fox, have a good night. Everybody say good night, Fox. Everybody say good night, Fox. I think I have, I'm 94 out of 100. Let me... You'll be my friend in the end. Turn this off right now. Oh! Let me get Slasher's name on my Blumpkin! My birthday pumpkin. Yeah, on the title, it literally says multi-stream on Twitch. I'm not trying to be rude, but that person was the person that was like a bitch to me earlier, so. If they're gonna be a bitch, I get to be a bitch. Is that how that works, right? Isn't it the golden rule, treat people how you want to be treated?
Alright, Slasher.
Oh, that's the wrong marker. Needing you'd be dead. Gone solid ground. It's just R, right? Not ER. Yeah. Simp! Yes! Alright, cool, thank you. Slasher Simp! Thank you for having your name on my birthday pumpkin, aka my Blumpkin. Ah, thank you, Cheyenne. Any other fun plans? Well, my birthday is gonna be during TwitchCon, so I'm celebrating early. I know. I'm a liar. I'm a liar! I'm a fake! I'm a phony! Big fat phony! But I don't really have many birthday plans. My boyfriend wants me to open his box that he sent me, because he sent me it like a month early, and so when he gets off work, he wants me to open his box. This is totally, like, literally only because, like, people have asked, but I do have a Throne wish list. If anybody wants, you don't have to. There's literally so much crap on there. I added a bunch of stuff. I've been getting really back into Lord of the Rings again. So there's a lot of Lord of the Rings stuff. There's a bunch of doggy stuff on there, too. If you guys want to get dog toys, my doggies. But, that's there just for fun. Obviously, why is there, like, a giant thing of wet on my mouse pad? What the hell? Oh, I think it's from the strawberries. My bad. Or, I don't know, I don't know. He wants to open his box. Buy him dinner first. Ooh, Chloe, I'm gonna mod you in my YouTube chat. I'm just joking. I know, I'm a liar, Luncheon. Caesar's Luncheon. I'm a liar. I'm a cheat. I'm a phony. I'm a big fat phony. Yo, GG's. GG's.
Happy birthday.
Oh,
also
thank
love
you.
The hair right now.
I was actually thinking.
Looks really cool coloring wise, less than 3.
I was actually thinking while I was cause I showered, you're welcome. I was actually thinking about how this is the most faded my hair has ever been that I've actually like presented myself like publicly. Like I've never had my hair be this faded publicly before, so I want to re-dye it. I want to re-dye it. Thank you for the brand new Prime sub! You made me spit everywhere. It's alright, you guys liked it. Thank you for the brand new Prime sub! Enjoy your 90? Count 'em. Your 90 emotes, your ad-free viewing, and your sub badge. And Weirdo, thank you so much for 31 monthlies! I did. Hi, Jinxie! Jinxie, thank you so much. I know, 31 months, that's crazy, Weirdo. It's been 84 years. Yum Yum is crazy. I want to re-dye it, but I've been working out so much recently that I've been sweating so much that if I were to dye my hair like the red, it would just be dripping like blood red everywhere. And because I'm sweating so much, I'm washing my hair more often. And so I do have Chatpix hair color, where I have like hair dye upstairs in my bathroom. I think I have red and black, where you guys can help me pick what like design to do with my hair. Like if I should go back to doing this like all red, or if I should do like I did last year, it was half black, half red. Or if I should do what like Bravo Penguin and I were talking about last stream, where I should do like the money, what's it called? The money something? I don't know, she knows. It's like money something. Crap. I don't know what it's called, but it's like where it's just like a little bit of red and then the rest black. You guys will help me pick them out. Oh, Jinxie, enjoy your gifted subbie! Oh, thank you. Money piece! Thank you. Yeah, like money pieces. Look at you guys all being so smart and tall and talented and handsome. Stop being so smart. Oh, wait, I have to do a spicy bean boozle for Slasher because Slasher hates me. 20 gifted subs is custom command and chat plus spicy bean boozle. He looks so handsome. Thanks, I made him myself. A spicy bean boozle is so cool. Jalapeno! Jalapeno, by the way. So these are super stale. I'm gonna try my best to, like, chew it as quickly as I can and then, like, knock it back so I don't get as much spice as I can. Because I had a habanero bean earlier. And that was rough. Who said, like, no, someone in chat said, like, beer makes it better? Oh, Jonah. I'd love to see Gabriel. Or, what's his name? Yoichi! Does the speed from Socket Swivels and the clean rag stack together? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I want to say that stacks. I want to say. But I'm also not a smart man, so I wouldn't trust me. Alright, I'll eat this stupid bean! Alright. I'll eat your bean. What if I just swallow it and I don't chew it? Is that cheating? Will it get spicy if I suck on it? I afraid I'm gonna choke on it. I'm afraid I'm gonna choke on your bean. Oh, it does get spicy. Oh, hold on. Hold on. It did get spicy with me sucking on it. Wait, which is hotter? Jalapeno or... Wait, which is hotter? Habanero? Or jalapeno? Yes, Max! Max, you got gifted us up. I think it was from Slasher. Oh, habanero spicier? Okay. Okay. Good, you've already calmed down my mouth a little bit. Okay. Wow! Yeah, that's already doesn't feel as bad as it did. Okay. Wait, so what's the spice level? Oh my god, if I just looked at the front. Okay. So sriracha, then jalapeno. Habanero was the second hottest! Hello? I have to do another spicy bean, by the way. Thank you so much! What the hell? Thank you for the 20 gifted subs to Matthew, Nix, Dang, Cozy Nanners, Scar, Kalinar, Vestria, Psycho, the basic Brit, Raspberry, One Bad Person, Cyanix, Mexi, Teabag Me, Lumiosity, Yuliu, Ali Pearl Girl, Megan Loves Games, Vec42, and Crazy Cat Mama. Thank you so much! Also, Ghoulishly, for doing the 20 gifted subs, you get to pick a custom command in chat. So you can pick like an exclamation point Ghoulishly, and it could say whatever you wanted to say in chat. Anything you wanted to say within reason, you know. I don't want to get kicked off the platform, you know what I'm saying? Oh, did you? Max, were they nice? It is Five Finger Death Punch. What's up, One Bad Person? Welcome in. Also, I had to do another another spicy bean. Take your time, Ghoulishly. Take your time. Thank you so much for the 20 gifted subs. If you guys got gifted subs, make sure you say thank you. Ah! And we hit our 100 sub goal. What the hell? This is crazy. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for the 100 subs. This is crazy. I'm gonna fucking cry. We gonna do the community 2 truths, 1 lie. I think because we just started doing open lobbies that also Vixie, don't forget to ready up whenever you can. Yeah. Shabby, you and I same brain. Yeah, ready up whenever you want, Vixie. And we'll play open lobbies for a little bit, and then we'll do 2 truths and a lie so that we have some time. Enjoy your get the subbies bad. No, you're totally fine, Vixie. Doing the blood web? No problemo, no problemo. Here you go, right here. Ghoulishly. Ghoulishly, okay. Ghoulish. Perfect. So I have a birthday pumpkin. His name is Blumpkin. Blumpkin, the birthday pumpkin. Ghoulishly, thank you for the 20 gifted subs. Also, it's 5+ subs and also tier 3 subs go on here as well. Birthday kisses, sweetie. Mwah. They go the forehead kissy. And now we have to do another spicy bean. Please be jalapeno. Please be jalapeno. Cayenne, where's Cayenne? Okay, so Cayenne is in the middle. Not quite habanero, but a little bit higher than jalapeno. What does Cayenne look like? Dark. The dark one. It's gonna be spicy. Oh, thank you, bad person. You're so sweet. Thank you so much. You are not what your name suggests. You are a nice person. Oh, cool. You're so fine. My birthday's technically not until TwitchCon, but we're doing it early because I'm not gonna be here because I'll be at TwitchCon. But guys, enjoy your subbies. I hope you guys enjoy your emotes, your ad-free viewing, and your sub badge. Make sure you guys thank your gifter. You guys are so sweet. Thank you so much. Cayenne. Is it supposed to get spicy later? Mm-mm. There it is! Oh my god. Why did that take so long? Why did that take so long? Oh my god. The whole back of my throat. Oh my god. I do not like this one. Why do I have 160 bean? I don't like this one at all. If it's a Frank, I'm going feral. Oh no! Oh no. So because it was a jelly bean, it like delayed the spice. Okay. No, Caesar's Luncheon, you're right. It is not helping at all. Which one of you guys said beer? Do you guys think if I went and grabbed my, my Angry Orchard, Jason Voorhees collab, that'll feel better? Because this sucks. It's getting a little bit better. Wait, Asher! Wait, is it a Frank? Beer does help. Oh! In public matches, succeed in 100 healing or repair skill checks? Okay. I feel like that's an achievement I've had forever, but what? Oh, it's a hunk! Whoa! Beer. Milk is supposed to help too. I don't want to open my milk, though. Something creamy? Who was it that kept trying to getting me to eat butter earlier? Someone in chat, I'm sorry, I can't remember who, just kept telling me to eat like a spoonful of butter, and I was like, I couldn't tell if that was like a kink thing. Like, I'm not like not trying to like be weird. I've never heard that. Shut up. I've never heard about eating fuck. Sorry, it was a spice. I've never heard about eating butter before. I don't think I could. I genuinely think I'd rather eat a pickle than eat butter. Like, I just don't think I can do like the texture. Ugh. What's up, Faith? Faith, happy Wednesday. Guys, midweek check-in. How's everyone's week been so far? And what are we looking forward to this weekend? Oh, I guess I hear you. I am nice, hunky. Why does it seem like it's running in slow motion? Oh, bread! I don't have any bread. A spoonful sounds way too much. Popcorn? Spades loves popcorn. Oh, someone just got yoinked. Drunk Dracula. When is that again, Kyle? That's like mid-October for you, right? Alright, I started getting better. Sourdough? Ugh. Guys, favorite bread, go. I hate pickles, Cheyenne. I hate them. I hate them so much. Oh, it's this Saturday. Today sucked ass. Hugs. Hugs for anybody who needs it. Unless you guys don't want the hug, you guys can double it and give it to the next person. Sourdough? I'm kind of like an equal opportunity bread enjoyer. Like, if it's bread, I'll eat it, you know? Oh, gotcha. Okay, gotcha. I knew something was mid-October. I just couldn't remember what. What? Okay, I wondered if it was going to be a trade. I need that. Good. I'm glad to help. Happy to help. Let's see if I get this heal off. That was an instant skill check. Whoa. I'm staying home as much as I can. There's... Oh, really, Rosaria? I'm so sorry to hear that. Does anyone experience, what's it called? SAD? Was it like a seasonal, depression or whatever? Run, Coochie, run! You've ever heard about Frank Morrison? Now I bet you are. Yeah, like the bread is sweet. Yeah, everything in our country is riddled with stuff that you don't need. Also, Faith! Think of the forehead kissy. And the good thing this week is I travel home! Oh, yippee! How far do you have to travel? Seasonal affective disorder. That's what it is. Thank you. Does anyone have to deal with that? Because I'm so sorry for anyone. Because I know, at least in the northern hemisphere, winter's coming. Winter's coming. But it's not sad. Gotcha. Oh, wow! He did tunnel you! Damn. I'm sorry, Vixie. Oh, after this game, we'll swap out people, by the way. So if anyone wants to join. I know Leanne's Moans wanted to join. AKA Winchester. Also, hi, Alejandro. That's totally fair, Max. What's it called? Wonder Bread? Max, you are more than welcome to if you like. You're more than welcome. Shaq is a filler. Shaq is a filler. Shaq is a filler. Ooh! Shaq is a filler. What the fuck? He has 200 pings. 200 ping is crazy. Yeah, that 200 ping is absolutely insane. What? I love how I dropped the pallet and I got the stun notification before it even made the sound of him hitting me. Yo, that was 180 feet is crazy. And the 3v1, Shaq's just a pallet. Hi, Bud Raven! I don't just have sad, I have D. Hi, Raven. 12 hours. Ugh, that is a egregious amount of time. I hate traveling. Don't get me wrong. I love going from point A to point B. Like, I love, like, you know, waking up and now I'm there. But I hate the actual, like, traveling part. Yeah, heck you. And your 200-ass ping. It's crazy. Pre-chopping the hell out of that! Ain't no way are you gonna get me twice. Ain't no way. It's alright, Pixie. It happens. Oh, really, Max? That's awesome, right? Is that good? Bad? We like that? Are we happy with that? Oh. I'm so nervous. Is that enduring? I can't tell if that was enduring or not. I think this gen's done. Why is he just standing there? Why is he just standing there? Do you guys see him? He's just standing there. Do you think he's like waiting because he's got a 3-gen here or something? Look. What is he doing? Oh, that's right. Could be lag. I don't know what I think it's like. Just like waiting for me to come back here. I don't know, I just don't want to lose my my shimpers. Here, let me snooze his head one more time. A Legion plushie? No way. That's too cute. I don't know if I make the window. I don't. Dang it, that's alright. R.I.P. Oh! Get it, Shabby. Oh! That's my boy. No, my boy. Father, help. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. All these doors are broken. Ooh, he's broken like every door. All the doors. I'm actually gonna bug her off. Oh my god. Okay!
Hello?
Ranky, thank you so much for the gifted subbies!
Hello?
Oh no! Oh, should I comp corner? Comp corner. Comp corner. Oh, no. Oh, he left. Thank you so much! And thank you for giving subby to Halt and to the Proteus Void. Proteus Void? Oh my god. A voice box is so cute. Hold on. Max! Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm gonna... I fucked up. Oh, that's fine. Yeah. He fucked up. I didn't realize I was heading towards the 1-gen that was being done. So that was my way of like begging for forgiveness. But like, I think him going to his power there was kind of not the play. That's all right. Worked out for me. Worked out for us. Start opening this door. I wonder if I can open it before I die. No, I don't. Wait. Comp corner. Comp corner.
Well, generosity is always a noble virtue. Whether it
I'm
be
wasting time.
at the charity
I'll bleed out, but I don't care.
or betwixt the sheets.
I'm wasting time. This is actually perfect. This is actually perfect. And I also have conviction. I don't have Soul Guard, though. I need to wait for him to be in power. Or for him to open this locker. Actually? Hold on. Slasher, you did not just do another 5 gift! I'm gonna ban you.
Hello?
Oh, move, 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 move. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. That's right. Wait. What just happened? Wait. Ah! Wait! I'm so... Wait, so why did he tunnel out Gucci Cult? What? I'm so confused. I'm leaving. I'm leaving? And I'm gonna yell at everybody that just gifted a sub. What just happened? Also, zombie, mwah, Spartan, mwah, magical, mwah. Ranky, thank you for the 2 gifted subs. Slasher, thank you for the 5 gifted subs. Zombie, thank you for the gifted sub to Range DBD. What the hell? Caesar's right? Yes, mommy. Yell at me. Yo, GG's. Hey, it is what it is. I just don't know why
They let us live at the end.
I was an innocent bystander. YouTube put you on my front page. What game is this? Oh, I'm so sorry. That was from 7 minutes ago. This is Dead by Daylight. I just realized I don't have the game title in my stream, on my YouTube stream. Let me fix that really quickly. Because I wasn't sure what I was going to play, honestly. So that's why I didn't put anything. But it is Dead by Daylight. All right. Let me get a new lobby started. Gay by Daylight. Real. Oh my god! Also, Slasher. Let's see. Wait, do I own any beans for you guys? Wait, hold on. What's our next, oh my god. Okay, so our next sub goal is at 150 subs. If we hit 150 subs, I have this Gengar onesie I got from Spirit Halloween. Max, I got you! Isn't this kind of cute? I got this from Spirit. And so I'll wear that. And then we'll do some more giveaways. We'll do another Space Panda $10 gift card giveaway. And we'll do another G Fuel giveaway. Also, speaking of G Fuel, Max, let me pick a tub for you. Let's see. Do you have any, like, flavors you like or flavors you hate? What's up, Soul Parrot? We can play someday. We're doing open lobbies right now. And, yes, Winchester! We're doing open lobbies right now. What's up, Spooky Lily? Welcome in. You hate sour and bitter. Okay. Let's see. Let me pull up the G Fuel website really quick and see what's even, like, in stock. Open lobbies. What's up, Sebastian? Ugh, I love strawberry banana. I'm drinking Miami Nights right now. Actually, let me fix my command, because I think mine still says hype sauce. Yeah, it still says hype sauce. Let me change it to Miami Nights. Miami Nights is really good. It's your Lurky Turkey Reiki. What's up, Spicy Duck? Thank you. I think they did change the text a little bit, Chloe. I'm not gonna lie. I think they did change it a little bit. Bye, Spicy Duck. Thank you so much for saying hi. Oh, shoot. Guys, I have to play an ad now. I have to play an ad now so there's no ad in game. And I have to go pee. Do you guys mind? Yes! Hi, Alejandro! Sorry. Yeah, the YouTube streams I literally have up so that if I play an ad and people don't want to watch an ad, I have the YouTube stream because I don't play ads on there. But I'm gonna go pee. Do you guys mind? Oh, I'm so sorry, Panda! I don't know why. Oh, no, I do know why. Because I snoozed the last few ads. I'm so sorry, Panda. But I promise you're not going to miss anything. I do have room for one more in our lobby, by the way. But I won't be able to bring you in until I come back from peeing. So I'm going to go pee. I will be right back, Panda. I'm so sorry. But you won't miss anything. I promise.
Me. Or J-Bug's coming.
Both of them. We might have to run. Oh, let's go. I take the hit. W. But she might. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna run right to the boon. Methinks. Okay, she hits the gen. I do have Roselle.
Fuck your
No,
ads,
we gotta go. Alright, he's checking there. Oh, there she is. Oh, J-Bug with the big body blocks. There we go. Medium vault, that's fine. I don't need it. Nice. Nice. Yo, J-Bug with the big body blocks. Yo, let's go. Whew. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Whew. Let's go. Honestly, this boon is so great. Your boon is so good. Oh god, Circle Pit is just so good.
Thank you. Too bad they're banned during the tourney.
Yeah. It's just like that that aura reading, or just like knowing that someone's there is so good. Oh. Mike. That's alright. She's gotta break that pallet, yeah. Did I make this? I'm gonna just do it for distance. She vaults. Ooh! Okay. Oh! Oh, I thought for sure she was getting that. That's right. I think I get this. Yeah, it's fine. Why am I taking chase, by the way? When we have Zerbs, J-Bug, and Lilypie here. Why is it I am taking chase? Okay. You know what? I panicked a little bit. Wish I had quick gambit. You gotta break this paella, lady. You gotta break this paella. There's no way that Panda said, what'd you say? Fuck your ads is crazy. Hey, Panda, thanks for the 11 months. Canix, enjoy your subby. Also, I grabbed one of the Jason Voorhees collab with Angry Orchard. It is the Sinful Apple. I haven't had this one yet. Love this song. Oh my god, it's such a throwback, isn't it? Also, I'm back, so if anybody wants to join, we have room for one more. Haven't you heard that I'm the new cancer? Hey, W, no ads. Let's go. How are you? I'm doing all right, Sebastian. How are you doing? I hope I'm saying your name right. No, oh my god, Panda. You have nothing to apologize for. Are you kidding me? You guys been here. Oh, I'm gonna go with Miami Nights Max, because I've been drinking that a lot recently. And so it's just like, I'm gonna go with either Miami Nights or Hype Sauce. I think I'm gonna go with one of those two. Those are just what I've been going back and forth on. Hi, Nikki. Nikki. Ah, they go with the forehead kissy. Finky Winky, get up your booty in here. Yeah, Shabby, tell me. What do you got? Never been so... I'm going to gape my own ass in shame. Huh? Oh! Slasher, if you're still here, don't forget to give me a command if you want. You work the night shift? What do you do for work if you don't mind me asking? You're gonna join next lobby? Okay, bet. Listen, Caesars, I was just reading the message. All right, I'm gonna ready up. I'll ready up. Oh, this smells so good, by the way. Oh, this smells so good. Yeah, Shabby, let me know. The silence was... Ah, jeez. Oh, do you guys want to know what else smells good? My own branded candle that smells just like me, made with little bits of pixel inside. I queef in every can... Anywho, guys, my candle was just restocked. Guys, go to Cosmic Candles Get your own Pixels Potion candle. It just got restocked today. Danish candy? I'm gonna beg you guys to refresh your strings. I think there's a little bit of lag. PLC programmer, electrical technician. That sounds awesome. That sounds like a really helpful job, and all I do is stream. Send me 100 millions. The roast beef is crazy, Panda. Oh, you're from Hungary? No way. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. United States, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I'm a fat, dumb American. No Way Out, Haywire, Blood Warden, and Remember Me. Oh my god! That all the survivors get infected with gates are powered and increased passive growth rate to Leech 2. I would love to see a game of that, Shabby. I would love to see that. I wouldn't want to go against it. There's a lot of lag. Oh! Oh, I'm dropping like a bunch of frames right now. Oh no, chat. I'm gonna stop the music for a second. Not that that's gonna fix anything, but... Guys, OBS is breaking my balls! I'm sorry. You know what helps? Buying candles. If you guys buy a Pixels Potion candle and use code KITTEN, my frames will fix themselves. For legal reasons, that's not true. But I hope it is. I hope it is. Is that why my headset was freaking out? That lets me break pallets and go vault very fast. Wait, which one is that, Max? Oh my god. Oh. Oh! Oh, what the hell? I was just checking my internet, brother! Wait. I think Max is like a crazy pig. I ever think about the 50% of Game Pass? Oh, really? Wait, Psycho, how much is it now? Wait, what, Panda? Hi, Draconia! Draconia, mwah. Thank you for the 4 kiss. I'm so sorry about the frames, guys. We're still dropping a bunch of frames. Do I have any mods here? Mod check? Any mods? Raven, Kyle, Tom? I don't think so. That's okay. I'll ping in the Discord. I just want to see if like there's a way that I could I know Spades is here earlier. Oh, I thought I missed a skill check. No, I think it's OBS because I don't think it's my internet because I don't have any ping issues. So I think it's just OBS. Spades might be in the game right now. When I get hooked, I'll make a message. I'll pin a message. When I get hooked. Actually, they're in chase right now. I can go get this. Yeah, we're still dropping frames, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I should have noticed that the lag was starting when there was like a delay. So it started when I was in the bathroom, I think. Is when the frames started dropping. He's gonna come right back, right? Like, why not, right? Can I finish this? Oh! I actually tried to take that hit, though. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I actually tried to take that hit. That's right. When I get hooked, I'll pin a message in chat. Can you guys like see or hear me? Probably not, right? There we go. I got a new pin message because I don't think anybody can hear me right now. This was like 5 minutes ago I asked. There's no way. Oh my god. The lag is so bad. No way. Oh, the lag is so bad. Okay, hold on. I might have to like... Yeah. Oh no. I asked if a mod was here like 5 minutes ago. That's how bad the lag is. Okay. Wait, is it my internet? Because that was like a weird hit, right? Is it me? No. I'm so sorry, guys. Stop. I have no clue what's going on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. This is bad. Well, in 5 minutes, the mods will hear that I was just gonna ask if they could put like a message in chat, but I just did that. Well, I didn't just do that, but I already did that. Heck. Oh, maybe we can heal. Maybe. Nah, it's definitely OBS. Ooh, that's right. That's alright. It's okay. Ain't no big deal. Get me out of this game. I'm actually probably not, I'm not even gonna use my conviction either. Wait, do I have it? Why do I have conviction? Yeah, I'm probably not even gonna use it either, just because I should probably just get out of this game. Yeah. I could swap to Meld. No, I can't, because like Meld doesn't have, I think I need to update Meld. It would be a huge thing for me to update and then go through that, and then Meld doesn't even work half the time, and I can't even stream on YouTube when I go to Meld. Oh man. Yeah, we'll just quit. Even though I have conviction, we'll just quit. This sucks. I don't know what to do. Because it's not my internet, because my game was fine. I don't know what to do. It's just OBS. Let me do a internet speed check. Check. Internet speed test. Ugh. It's so annoying. They do this like, this happens like literally every stream that I try to have like a celebration stream or something. And we've lost like a third of our viewership too, which sucks. Yeah, my internet's fine. Yeah, I don't know what to do. We need to start pre-answering questions, chat. So, okay, so use this as a reference, all right? I'm reading Panda's no, yes, pork buns. Now, it's 6:25 and I read that message. Let me know. Also, let me type in the YouTube chat. All right, oh, thank you, Faith! Oh my god. I feel so bad. But yeah, my frames are still completely like, dropping like crazy. I don't know what to do. I literally don't know what to do. Because there's nothing that I can do on my end because my internet's fine. But Steam wouldn't affect my OBS though. Right? Steam wouldn't affect my OBS. And my game was playing fine. Oh, I should probably type this. Steam doesn't affect my OBS, and my game was playing fine. I literally don't know what to do, because when we try to reset the stream when this happened on Monday, it didn't fix anything. I have to like actually type people in chat. Thank you. Restart PC. Restarting PC won't fix OBS, unfortunately. Thank you, Faith. This is so weird. I'm like having to type to you guys in chat. Damn. And I can't do the 2 truths and a lie right now, because that would require you guys to have low latency. Because that's part of the prediction. I don't know. No. Because that ruins everything. No, I just, Kyle. No. We did have this issue on Monday. The exact one. Yeah. I could try ending the multi-stream, but then people won't be able to watch anywhere without ads. Which is why I know it won't help. I could try to end the multi-stream. I'm going to end the multi-stream to see if that'll help. I'm live on Twitch, though. Same name. Bye, guys. Alright. So I'll end the stream on YouTube. I don't know if that'll help. I don't know. But I've ended the stream on YouTube. I'm hoping that will just, like, instantly turn green, but... No. Links are okay. I just personally won't watch anything right now. Ballin, thank you. This is so weird. I feel like I'm literally... I feel like I'm, like, live watching someone stream. Yeah, links have always been okay in chat. Obviously, as long as it's not anything like sus, then of course we'll ban you, but... My only thing is just, like, if anyone posts something in chat, I